Today you're going to play another game called Fill It In R Blends. Let's review our R blends before we get started. Bruh, truh, pruh, dur, gur, cur. To play this game, you will need this game board and a dry erase marker. Please pause the video and go get your materials. Welcome back. With your marker, you're going to write the R blend, the first two letters of the picture. The first picture shows broccoli. Which R blend says broccoli? Did you say BR? Good job. Write BR for broccoli. Let's keep going. Grasshopper. Write the first two letters for grasshopper. Cruise. Write the R blend at the beginning of the word cruise. Dress. Present. Truck. Printer. Train. Dragon. Grapes. Broom. Crash.